भाई यार इससे घटा दो
यार यही तो पैटर्न इंटरप्ट है। मेरा एक टांग नकली है, मैं हॉकी का एक बहुत बड़ा खिलाड़ी हुआ करता था। चलो।
और ये हुआ कैसे ये इंसिडेंट लाइक थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट में बता दो फटाफट।
भाई एमएमए करने गया था, फट गई।
ठीक है भाई, तो आप लोग को भी एमएमए ऐसे नहीं करना है, थोड़ा सा प्रिकॉशन लेके करें। तो आज हम जस्ट लाइक हमारी फ्लाइट अभी 20-30 मिनट बचे हैं हम लोग को फ्लाइट ऑन बोर्ड। तो अब अगर ये वीडियो बहुत जरूरी था बिकॉज पता नहीं हम दोबारा कब मिलते हैं, ठीक है। तो लाइक रैंडमली हम लोग ये वीडियो बना रहे हैं एयरपोर्ट पे बैठे हुए। सो so one thing that we are going to discuss in this video is the what are the things that we need to do when we have to optimize the conversion rate optimization basically. So when you started the running the ads but you are now seeing that decline in results, your CPM is getting higher, your cost per acquisition is getting higher. So what now needs to be done in terms of a front end ads, back end funnel system, and what needs to be done? Okay, so we'll talk about the coaching industry. Like for example, we will see about the like webinar registration, paid webinar registration. So Tirtho, tell me like what are the things that need to be in checklist when before we run the ads?
Yeah. So checklist things are definitely how you create your funnel. So one thing that I have learned and understood over all these years is basically you have to understand every stage of your audience interaction
journey.
So every stage of your audience interaction. If it is a video ads, then you can understand it's way better. Like it all starts with the impressions, like how you are, how many times your ad is getting viewed in all the devices. And then it comes to reach, and the reach is basically the metrics that shows you how many unique people you have reached. We're only talking about Facebook ads in here. So definitely impressions to reach is the ratio that determines how many people you are reaching and how frequently you are reaching. If the impression is too high and reach is actually very low, then that means you are reaching same people again and again.
The frequency is higher. One person is seeing your ad multiple times. And if your frequency goes around 2, 3, 4, it means then your ad is getting fatigue or
something. It is reaching to the same people and same people it is not perform. It is
and
not
they are not responding to it. Okay. And Kito, tell me like what are the important metrics we need to have in place so that we can see that if these are the metrics that we can control and some of the metrics we cannot control. For example, like CPM is something that we cannot control at the start. Right. So so like just like throw some light on this.
So CPM is one of the metrics that is very important and an uncontrollable metric. CPM it determines your advertisement cost. So in any industry you are going to, if the CPM is too high, then you are going to spend a lot of money to acquire customer, lot of money to acquire client, or else your audience size is very small. That could be another reason. So how you can fix your CPM issue is basically you target a little bit broader audience with a high audience size. This is one of the way. And there is another way to fix CPM, which is basically you choose a campaign of different objective, let's say video views and all, when you can retarget those audience to get your CPM on an average CPM in a very good way. So these are the two things.
Okay, so basically the CPM is something like if we are starting, so you should not go very narrow. Otherwise there will be less impression and those impressions will cost you a lot. Also, if you think that your audience is in foreign but their CPM industry like industry wise also CPM depends, and if for example if you run into the business niche, digital marketing niche, your CPM goes around like 500 rupees to 700 rupees, right? And also in finance niche, so your CPM also depend upon the kind of audience you are tracking, right?
Exactly.
So apart from this CPM,
from the CPM, if we talk about the conversion rate optimization part of it, so you understand the way I was saying, impression to reach, after reach to views, number of views that you are getting, after views to clicks, number of clicks that you are getting, then clicks to landing page views, number of landing page views you are getting, then landing page views to clicks on the button clicks that you track, then button clicks to initiate checkout, then initiate checkout to purchase payment. So this is the sequence, and after that if you have a continuous funnel which is a one time offer, then purchase payment to one time offer button clicks, and then one time offer button clicks to one time offer purchase. Now all of these stages are one metrics. All these stages have important metrics. If one of them, let's just say like link clicks to landing page views are very less, that means people are clicking on your ads and they are not landing in the landing page. It could be your website issue, so fix that. It could be an audience issue as well, like
bots basically traffic. Bots
it's very
also is coming.
bot
audience is not that much.
So once you understand all these levels and you fix one by one by one by one, you optimize your conversion rate very well. That is the basics of conversion rate optimization.
So from starting from a prospect clicking on your ad to the they are visiting the landing page, what is the percentage of people clicking on the ad and how many are visiting on your landing page? So this is the percentage you have to manually check, and this can easily be done via like from Facebook ad dashboard, and also you can use another analytic tools like Google Analytics, MS Clarity. So this is so from starting your ads to like how many unique CTR you have, unique outbound CTR you have, how many people are clicking on it. If your outbound CTR is very less, it means that now you have to work upon your ads. Then you will have more CTR. More CTR means more clicks. More click means like more number of people will visit the landing page, and more number of clicks. And now, if you have like sorted out this out, it means that your landing page is like getting visitors. But if you're not getting conversion, it means that whatever your headline, sub headline, or the content is not resonating with the type of audience they want, or the offer is not resonating. Now you have to work upon the main hero section of your landing page, basically.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, basically. So if your landing page views and then you are not getting any button clicks, that means your copy is not working. Fix that. So I'll in quick summarize all the things that you need to fix from top to bottom. High impression, very low reach. Your audience is reaching the same. So try out different interest. Then reach to views. There is very good reach, but there is no views in your videos. That means your hook is not working. Fix your hook. Views to clicks. The people are seeing it, but your clicks, they're not clicking on your ad. That means you don't have a CTA, or CTA is coming very late. So fix your CTA on your ads. Then clicks to landing page views. If high clicks but landing page views are very less, that means there is a problem in your website, or else there is a problem in the targeting. Like there could be a problem in targeting because it is you are targeting irrelevant audience or
Right.
bot audience that it might
Or
be
the
targeting.
audience's location is something that you need to work upon.
Exactly.
Right.
So
Hmm.
landing page views, now landing page views to button clicks, like high landing page views, but there is no one clicking on your button. Then
CTA
your
button.
offer has to be worked out, your copy has to be worked out. Then button clicks to initiate checkout. If it is not working, then your integration of your payment system has to be
Payment
checked.
gateway.
Integration of your payment gateway has to check. And if there is, let's just say, payment, like a lot of initial checkouts are happening, but there is no payments that is happening, that means you have an issue with maybe the payment gateways integration about the cards, or payment gateways integration with UPIs and all, because people are not able to pay
Payment methods, basically.
payment method, and that's how you fix the entire part of the funnel one by one by one.
Also, many of the coaches like do not understand the difference between landing page and website, and they think that if they have a website, they will just run the ads, and whoever come on the website, they will just buy their courses program or register for the webinar. Just throw some light on this, like what is the importance of having a website and a landing page for the coaches.
What is the, please ask the question again.
So many coaches feel that they should be having only website, okay, and they will send traffic to their website main homepage and not considering the landing page.
Yeah.
Okay,
So landing page and website has a major difference. Landing page is focused on only one call to action. Even if you have WhatsApp on your landing page, it is going to fucking mess up your conversion rate. So you cannot have anything inside your landing page except for one call to action button that is repeating everywhere. But in website there is multiple ways, multiple pages, so they can navigate around this page, that page, and all this stuff. This is not going to bring you any conversion. This is complete bullshit. Once you are doing your branding activity, you can think upon the website, but the first and foremost needed right here, right now, is the landing page. That's it.
Awesome, man. I guess we have covered few of the pointers. So
And it is very technical for newbies to understand.
I guess coaches need to work with those right set of people or freelancers
Yeah.
or agencies
Yeah.
who understand these terms. Otherwise, people can run ads for you. It's the easiest part. But the optimization of conversion is something that all people get stuck with, and then they think that I have spent this much on ads. I have worked with these many of people, but I'm not
But why
getting
it is not
conversion.
working? Yeah.
So it's about you have to see at every step what's need to optimize from your end on all of the like on the technical side, basically.
Yes.
Okay, so use those tools and methods that can optimize your from landing page to
Yeah.
ads and everything.
Yep.
Okay, so start working from your ads, seeing those metrics
Yeah.
of CTR, unique outbound clicks, link clicks, and what is the video view rate, like how many people are watching the video up to 75%, 25%, 50%.
There are a lot of sub
Lot
metrics
of
inside
metrics.
this metrics.
Right,
But
right.
once you understand this metrics well, then you can deep delve into the sub metrics and then make data out of it, and then tweak with landing page color, tweak with copies, tweak with headlines. You can tweak with lot of stuff and get your performance sorted even better.
All right, ma'am. Tirtho, it's lovely meeting you here. I guess
Same.
we meet couple of years. I guess last time we met 1 year back or so.
I think it's more than that.
It's more
Last
than
time
that.
we met was in 2022 December.
I guess
Yeah.
in Jaipur trip, right?
Jaipur, yeah.
Crazy man. That
It's
trip was
2025,
also.
yeah.
Oh my
Holy
goodness,
shit.
yeah. It's been so long.
So long, yeah.
But whenever we
Yeah.
hang out with all our friends, we really misses it because we work in this entrepreneur zone in which we have to take care of everything. But we don't have this social life daily.
Yeah.
Daily, it's like we don't commute to our offices, meet our
Yeah.
colleagues, but we are colleagues in some way.
Yeah.
Okay, so meeting on these trips and everything
Yeah.
is something like it's like the prize or reward.
Yeah.
That what we do,
Yeah.
right? And today what really happened, like one of our friend basically cried when she like departing
was,
us.
yeah, yeah.
I also felt very like emotional.
Sad, emotional.
But
Like some things happen, but that's life. We continue.
It's-
We are
it's
at
the-
airport. We are still continuing with our podcast.
it's continue. I don't know.
It's like
It's 7:23.
It's 7:23. He has a flight at 7:50, and I have
7:50.
at an 8. So
So and
Yeah.
now to just go to like I don't know gate number 1 and 10, and he has to also walk with these sticks. Oh,
yeah,
man, crazy.
yeah, crazy.
So thank
We are
you.
sitting just behind the bar of gate number 104. When you close the video, just show them the gate number 104.
Chalo,
Yeah.
man.
Cool.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Bye.
Bye. Happy onboarding.
Happy onboarding. Bye bye. Gate number 4.